Hi, in this video, we will learn how to recode data values in SPSS. We have here the data of 49 students in SPSS. We will recode the variable age into categories. Before we recode, let's look at the variable descriptives. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Click on Age and click the right arrow to move it to the variables area. You can also double click on the variable. In the statistics option, you can select other measures if you want. For now, let's click OK. The frequency table for the variable age is displayed. Here, you can check the data values. Age ranges from 18 to 28 in this data. Now let's recode the variable. Go to Transform. Select Recode into different variables. Click on Age and move it to the right. You can also double click to do that. In the output variable details, enter the new name for the variable and a new label. Avoid keeping the same name for the new categorized variable. Click on Change. Next, click on Old and New Values. In the left side under Old Value, we are going to provide the data range for the categories. We will categorize age into 3 categories: lowest age to 21, 22 to 25, and 26 to highest age. First, click on Range, lowest through value. This will categorize from the lowest value to the value we provide. Type 21. On the right, under New Value, we can type the new value of our category. Type 1 and click on Add. Next, click on Range and type 22. Under Through, type 25. This is for our next category from 22 to 25 years of age. On the right, type New Value 2 and click Add. Finally, in Range, Value through Highest, type 26. On the right, type New Value as 3 and click Add. The old and new values are displayed in the box below. Click Continue. We can include an if condition too if needed. To do that, select Include if case satisfies condition and type a condition. For example, gender is equal to M or total marks is greater than 50. This will create code values if the condition is satisfied and will categorize the other values as missing. Check if old and new values are specified correctly and the name and the label of the new variable and click OK. A new recoded variable has been created. We can check the new values by going to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Remove the age variable and move the age groups variable to the right. Click OK. The age groups variable is displayed in frequency table. Now let's make some small adjustments. Go to Variable View, reduce decimals to 0, change the labels here. In Values, click the 3 dots. In the recorded data, we denoted 1 as 18 to 21, 2 as 22 to 25, and 3 as more than 25. So here in value, I enter 1 and in label less than 22 and click Add. Then in value, enter 2 and in label type 22 to 25. Click on Add. Similarly, type 3 in label and more than 25 in label and add. We can change by simply selecting the category we want to change, type the new name and click Change. You can also remove categories by clicking on Remove. Check the categories and click OK. Since the categories are ordered from low to high years of age, we can specify the variable as ordinal. Final step. Check if all the values were recoded. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequency. Bring variable age groups to the right box and click OK. Check the categories in the table and the total. And that's how we recode variables in SPSS.